Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, December 10th, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. V pattern, wide state, inverted H. V pattern, wide state, oscillator agreement. V pattern, wide state, area of resistance, oscillator agreement.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 drop, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half of our gains, and as long as this price stays below the 21 moving average on our 1 minute chart, it might drop down to the 21 moving average on our 2 minute chart. So we're going to play this bar by bar, but at this point we're going to lock in half of our gains. All right. Let me throw my Fibonacci up here, and you might ask, why am I doing this? All right, as you can see, the price is down at the 21 moving average on our 2 minute chart. We have a narrowing state and it's starting to expand out. So I don't expect this price to go much farther down. So maybe roughly around the 50 moving average on our 1 minute chart, but I'm not thinking as a seller buying put options anymore. I'm thinking about buying call options here soon. So I want to get a tempo of where the large money would pile in on the buying side. So we'll see what happens. I think this trade is going to be over here soon, so we're going to probably punch out and swap the contracts out. If the price breaks the 523.25 and lunges down to the 523 area, we'll actually just punch out. Hold on, I think we're going to punch out.
Order filled.
And there's about a $1.70 run. What we're going to do is we're going to swap out the contracts and we're going to get ready to go back up with the market.
Order filled.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going up with the market. Let me mark up my charts and go over what we saw and why we went up with the market. Reverse H pattern, close enough moving average bounce, oscillator agreement. Reverse H pattern, moving average bounce, slingshot. Reverse H, Fibonacci retracement, lightning to the upside.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. So what we're going to do is we're going to lock in half of our gains, and I want to see how this price is going to react to the high of the day. Now that we're starting to get beyond the high of the day, I want to see acceleration go up to the 525.25 area, and we might get a $2 run if we can blast through that area. Right here is $2 run. So if we start getting up to the 525.25 area and we have to retrace, that may be indicative to this energy is slowly losing momentum. So if we can get past the 525.25 area, push past and maybe up to the 525.50, 525.75 range, we will hold on. But if we get up to the 525.25 area and we start slowing down and we take the retrace, after the retrace, if it gets up to that level, we might have to take what we get and go from there. So again, we're going to see what happens, but the targeted area that I'm focusing on is how price gets to, reacts, and how long it stays around the 525.25 area. All right. As you can see, we're in the minor retrace area, the 25-33%, but based on how we cleared the high of the day, it was very weak. I expect it to maybe get up to the high of the day, maybe push past a little bit farther, but I don't see a lot of energy left in this move. So here soon, we're looking to punch out once this price goes back up to the high of the day, maybe a little bit beyond it. And we are looking to get out right.
Order filled.
And there's a $1.96 run on this trade, ladies and gentlemen. So our first trade, we went down with the market. We achieved a $1.70 success. Our second trade, a $1.96. So we're up on 2 trades, $3.66 for the day so far. As always, never forget, be a pro.